I got a little bit ahead of myself here. I was thinking I'd be able to just unscrew it and feed it on there, but there we go. That'll work. If not, I wished it would have. There we go. Just put all this crap back together and off we go. Easier said than done, of course. Actually, we gotta do it this way first. So then, that. We'll go back in there. Like so.
Kind of, yeah. Oop.
Problem is, this one has this little screw doohickey through here.
It's right there.
Oh, just gotta take this screw out. You so smart.
I know.
You got it on video evidence, videographic evidence too. Telling you you're smart. You better edit that out. Okay? You better not put that in there.
Uh-huh.
See, all your supervising does help sometimes, I guess. Right?
I'm the best supervisor ever. I need my supervisor t-shirt.
Trust me, I'm the supervisor. No, this thing's all cattywampus here. It's not even screwed in there anyway, but it's hard to get it out now. In there already. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Now back to where we were with supervisor. Oh.
Now that will screw from the plate all the way into the back of the thingy. Yep.
Ideally. Don't pretend like you're telling me this stuff. I already know that. I did take it apart. So there. Would you be trying to come in here and horn in on my work? Oh, no, I get it. It's just like Brandon.
Oops.
You're like FJB. He says, oh yeah, I drove a tractor trailer. I used to drive an 18-wheeler. Because he rode in it one time. Is that what you're trying to do to me here? Huh? No comment?
No comment. I'm not trying to do that. I ain't no Brandon.
You ain't no Brandon?
Mm-mm.
That's good.
I have my faculties.
Most of the time you do, you're right. Well, you know, I guess before we get too hot and bothered with this, we ought to test it out.
Mm-hmm.
Hold one. I'll kick on the power to it. Or not. Oh, shoot. Crap.
What?
It come undone. Damn it. How the heck? How did that come undone? What a pain in the butt. One moment.
I'm just here to supervise.
Let me see if something funny happens.
Yep. Don't shock yourself.
But,
Just don't shock yourself.
yeah, ideally not. I won't. Can't believe that. See, that one's all the way in. Oh, that was true. I would have had a proper supervisor. The supervisor would have told me that.
Yeah.
So you're fired, Missy.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
You go find work elsewhere. How's that?
Oh.
Huh? You go find work elsewhere?
I think I'll go take a nap.
You can't. You're busy supervising. Now what we're going to do, first we're going to massage that a little bit. Quiet.
Is that how that goes?
I'm going to massage this a little bit.
Just don't know how to finesse those wires, do you?
Why don't you show me, supervisor?
I don't know.
Huh? You know how to drive my 18-wheeler here, Joe. How's that? You gonna do that for me? Huh?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Sounds like you want to.
I'll drive something.
Yeah. Automatics.
I know how to drive a stick.
Ah, whatever. I'm not speaking metaphorically. You and your stick driving. I mean, literally.
I don't know how to drive an 18-wheeler stick, but I know how to drive a manual vehicle. Been a few years, but people our age learned how to drive a manual from start.
I knew how to drive a manual from birth.
Yeah.
Oh, I could drive a manual 13 years old. Literally.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. Calling a repairman. What's wrong with that?
Because?
How come I'm not calling a repairman?
Did you want it done today?
Because I got my supervisor here right by my side to let me know. That's why. I don't need to call no repairmans. When I got my supervisor right over here over my shoulder in her usual place. Well, she can't be over my shoulder, but
Right. Sure you may want to test that before you put it over with it.
shit. It's good now, I know. Yeah, except that's not so good there. I'm not really worried about it working or not working at this point. Perfect. The heck?
It's cockeyed. Something got in the way.
Apparently. Let me test it. Let's see if it works or not. So far, so good.
So far.
Well, here's the acid test, folks. No. That's not good. The heck? What the heck? There's power there. Well, you know what you do when this happens. You call in the professionals.
Call a friend.
Phone a friend. That doesn't give me any warm fuzzies.
So what was
Moving and a company will do door to door for $8,500. And so I went through that whole process.
Door to door meaning?
Door to door meaning they'll come in here and get all our stuff and take it to our new place. But I looked at the Better Business Bureau and they didn't have great ratings.
Okay.
So I have another moving company is going to come on Wednesday and actually give us a quote just to see what it's going to be. Might as well check. I also looked at mileage rates for the van. I was supposed to go look at the van tomorrow, the trailer van.
Yeah.
Not going to do that because I still haven't heard back from Harley. So to use his power unit to go over there.
Right.
So, and I want to get a little more time too, because to see how this may shake out. Come in. So. Hey, come on, Norman. Hey, he's a professional.
So what happened?
Well, turns out, folks, I am a moron. If you hadn't figured that out yet. No, I had it right, but the wire was just a tiny bit loose, and so our neighbor, bless his heart, some electrician came and saved the day. Way to go, Mike.
Yep.
So, it's all good. Stove is operational, as it should be. It's gonna set the clock. There we go.
And it turns on?
Yep, it'll turn on. Oh, do you want to see it turn on?
Okay.
Is that, you good now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm good.
It turns on. The stove turns on.
Good job, Dad.
Okay, thank you. Couldn't do it without my supervisor.
I know. I'm here to look good and smile.
Yeah, you're here to look cute and bother me. I know. Isn't that what you're here for?
Yep.
Look cute and bother me?
Mm-hmm.
You are looking special cute today.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, you guys. What did we say?
Don't like, don't subscribe. Arrivederci.
Like and subscribe. God bless. Bye, you guys.